How to turn off shuffle on Spotify. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video we are going to be learning how we can turn off shuffle on Spotify. So if you have the Spotify application and then you play songs on a playlist, right? So you have the songs in a playlist, but when you play that song, the problem over here is that you cannot turn off the shuffle because it is basically playing random songs from the playlist, and you simply want to turn this feature off, right? So when you play the next song, it is directly going to play another song, random one. So why does this happen? This happens when you have a free account. So in order to turn off shuffle, you need to have a premium account. Spotify only allows premium users to listen without any interruption, without any ads, without any skipping, and without any random songs as well. You can listen in any order. So in this case, you can see the shuffle icon right next to the play button, but it's not really offable, which means that you cannot really turn it off in this case. If I tap on it, it's just going to play the songs over here, but as you can see, I cannot turn this off. So you have to get the premium, and to get to the premium, come to the premium tab over here, tap on the get premium option, add your debit or credit card, and after that you will be able to turn off shuffle. Other than that, there is no way you can turn off shuffle on Spotify. You can try to listen from YouTube Music or whatever else. That's all it takes to turn off shuffle on Spotify. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.